Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and Vince Pukka. He's setting up his drone. Today we are in this beautiful place which is called Chadwick Lakes. So let's explore this area and do some nice trekking. Come with us. This place here started in 1800s when the government of Malta commissioned Osbert Chadwick to make a report on this place, how we can save water not being wasted to the sea. His suggestions came into reality, and they built this place with a lot of dams, small dams, to hold the water. And lately here it was cleaned up with a major restoration of this place by the Maltese government. And one of the places found was this place here. It's like a natural pool, but as you can see here is all built in that time era. So now let's continue to explore this area. Here is a nice trek to do. As you can see, it's being restored with poles and rope, so it's easily to walk in here. And it's a beautiful, quiet place to be. Of this place, Pukka, it's nice, eh?
Beautiful, Pierre, eh?
And quiet, eh? What do you think?
Very, very, very beautiful. The weather today is perfect.
In fact,
February.
February, and we are with t-shirts.
And we are with t-shirts, it's very hot. We came with the long sleeves and we changed with the short sleeves.
And what I think as well with the things they are doing here, it's very good for families.
Exactly, that's what I'm
It's very safe. And even with small kids here, it's very...
You don't need like a good trekking shoes or something like that. You can come just for a nice walk.
Well, now we are trekking. It's like on the lake bed because the water level is not so high. Until here it's totally dry. You can see Pukka in front of me, and now we find water again. But look at this place. I know many foreigners will laugh at us because you hear Wied. This is a problem how to pronounce it for me. Lakes, but this is the only lake we have here, or something like this. We don't have the proper big lakes that many countries have. Lately here have been invaded with like crayfish, but today we cannot find anything like it here. Here you can see some tadpoles that they will turn into frogs soon. They are like droplets, grey droplets. Because here is renowned for frogs. When we were small children here, we used to come with the museum and come here catching frogs. Although now it's not advisable for the ecosystem of here, but to leave them where they are. Here we are on a water dam, as you can see. Pukka, go into the water please, so you show them. No. So we have lower water here, and if we go like this, we have the upper level here. The dam is holding the water from being wasted. And here it makes a beautiful view of this water and how it shines. And as you can see, a lot of people are walking here and enjoying this countryside.
Today is a public holiday, that's
yes,
why.
Yes, it's public. It's 10th February, St. Paul.
Shipwreck. Today, that's why, eh? There is a lot of people, because normally there is no these people.
So we continue?
We continue.
Let's continue. This area. Look, a small frog, girl. Baby frog. Hope you can see it. You see it, Pukka?
Hey, I'm seeing it. Yes, it's still big, yeah.
Here we are finding one place better than the other. What do you think, Pukka?
It's very beautiful.
Take care, it's slippery here.
Hey, there's a lot of mud.
We don't want to join the frogs here.
No.
But
it's beautiful.
How nice it is, huh? You see? All this water. For us, it's very beautiful because we only have the sea, not such places. What do you think, Pukka? Go to swim up there, Pukka, so they see you. Yeah. Now let's continue. Look how beautiful these reflections are here. Eh? I am amazed by this place. It's very beautiful, quiet, easy to walk, perfect for families or their people, children. It's a must to come here. It's very relaxing. And as it is now, it's very safe with railings, everything, and it's being made better and better every day as it looks. Well done to the authorities here. This is the new railing installed here. Very nice, I like it. And here is the view again. Look at this place, how beautiful it is, huh? What do you think, guys? When we see this machine in these places, we are... But in this case, I think they are justified because look, they are repairing the wall from falling onto the road. And this is the way they are doing it, huh? Which is beautiful as well. And here, it's one of the dams, or there's the water there. And the water is flowing slowly to this side. Another nice bridge with railings as well. So it's safety for people and especially for small children. And as you can see, it's high and it's narrow, the gap. So even small children will not fall from this. So it's another plus here. Yeah? Relaxing day today, yeah?
Very relaxing today.
No caves today, we are in the sun, in this beautiful lake, relax. We are clean,
A bit of mud. But
important, so today she will not leave me outside because I'm going clean at home. Although we got spare shoes with us as always,
exactly.
Not to risk it.
Because Pierre, I came with Pierre today and told me, listen, bring a spare shoes with you, because you don't come in the car with all the mud in your
Of course, so because now I have to mention my sponsor.
Okay.
Mela, I have to thank my sponsor, which is Sharon Rendich, who cleans my car, so we have to mention her, so because our sponsor. And we have to keep it clean because she will get angry and she will have the right to do so. So, thank you, Sharon.
To continue.
Well, here we found a small duck as well, while we are eating some energy bar. Insomma, Pukka ate me half of it. So here I can eat his biscuits later. What this tree is. We have Pukka here. Yeah, Pukka. We didn't find a grown-up syringe. You know, because in Maltese. Remember, Maltese syringe is a frog, yeah? Look, Pukka, at this fruit, huh? What is this fruit? Huh? Anybody knows? Comment below, please.
What type of fruit?
Yeah. I'm not going to try them out. Huh? We start heading to our car, Pukka.
Yes, come.
Because it's getting cold, you know?
Colder and darker.
Yes, it's February, and with a t-shirt, we are pushing it now. We have reached the end of this vlog. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful place. It's me, Pierre Farrugia and Vince Pukka. Please go to our YouTube channels and subscribe. This will help us to encourage you and do more better videos. Until the next time, bye bye.